और छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका कौन है? राजस्मिता टीका, यस, फ्रॉम क्लास 6. Come fast. Come on, clap, children. Encourage them. Now it's the time for elocution. In elocution junior category, the third position goes to Pariniti Shah from class 6. Pariniti Shah, she is absent probably. Okay. The second position goes to Debasis Panda. Arya Singh. The next event is poem recitation, junior category. The third position goes to Shai Shraddha Prachi from class 7. Shai Shraddha Prachi, absent. Okay. So the second position goes to Sonali Panda from class 8. Sonali Panda from class 8. The first position goes to Arusi Kumari Gupta from class 8. Now I am going to announce the prizes for debate competition junior category. In this competition, we only have 2 prizes from class 6 again. First position goes to Alia Singh from class 6. In essay writing competition, the third position goes to Aksha Fatima from class 8. The second position goes to Sambhav Sahu from class 7. The first position goes to Sanskar Sahu from class 7.
To one and all present here, I, Kriti Prasad, taking immense pride and pleasure to be the student of OAV Jahari Toli. Today, I stand before you all to speak a few words on this auspicious day, that is the Foundation Day. So, friends, what is OAV? OAV, Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya, is that amazing learning performance, is that learning platform which helps the student to know their hidden talent, academic performance and many more. This is that platform which helps the student, mainly the rural student, to get a knowledge of English medium education. Once, when it was the dream of rural students to get the education in English medium, is not it true that your dream has come true and we all the students from rural area are here? So I feel really blessed and have a great opportunity to do something for this school. So friends, talking about the history, what is the history behind this great platform? So all it started was it was first set as the model school. In 2010 or between 2010 and 11, it was launched by Government of India. Later on, it was handed over to state government in 2015 or 16. When it came, our former Chief Minister, sir, that is Sir Naveen Patnaik, started this. And today we all are blessed to be here. Is it great? Today the students of OAV Jahari Toli are also feeling blessed to be here because we all also have the talent that we have come here through the examination of entrance. So today this OAVS school students, that we OAVians, are rising like stars and flying like birds. So there are numerous examples, but I would like to say few of the examples. So when it was the ranking, Pathar Chepa, that is the OAV Pathar Chepa, got 10th rank for its boarding school. The student named Amit Vishwal got 99.4%. He too is a OAVian, so we all also have the talent. Not only other OAVs, but OAV Jahari Toli in few months ago got 7th rank all over Odisha for her Khan academic performance. So it is great. Only celebrating Spark is good, great, but today what we students have to contribute is that we have to make our school proud, and as a student I really feel that we have to do many things more for our school like OAV Jahari Toli. It is a great platform and we all have this great opportunity. So today let's take a pledge that in the coming years we will make our OAV Jahari Toli a proud one and the best OAV in this Odisha. So friends, let's come together, hold our hands together and let's do what we OAVians of Jahari Toli are born to do. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Ma'am, dignified teachers and all my dear friends. A very good afternoon to one and all present over here. I just saw a student of class 12 feeling immensely proud to stand in front of you. What's the day today? Today we gathered here to celebrate the most proudful moment for all the OAVians. Today we gathered here to celebrate the 9th Foundation Day of OAVians along with the 8th Foundation Day of our OAV Jahari Toli. Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan was firstly started as a model school by the central government in the Central Assistance Act in the year 2010-11. However, it was delinked in words, but it can also be seen by our own eyes as it's acknowledgeable for our Odisha government to take this wonderful step. At last, I want to conclude this by hoping that how our OAV developing and performing its best, in future it may develop more encouragingly. And may God bless us and make our citizens, teachers and students more proud on the behalf of OAVs and our OAV Jahari Toli. Thank you.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead.
Lakshmi Mundari from class 8. The next event is quiz of junior category. The third position goes to Devasis Panda from class 8. Devasis Panda from class 8. The second position goes to Sanskar Sahu from class 7. And the first position goes to Tushar Sahu from class 6. Junior category. The third position goes to Parinita Lugun from class 8. Yes, Rajasmita Tika from class 6. Solo folk dance, junior category. Spota from class 8. And the first position goes to 8, Rajasmita, don't go. Okay, she has one more. She is bagging all the prizes. Very nice, Rajasmita. The first position goes to Rajasmita from class 6. Now I would like to request Gregory sir to come on the stage.
अंगूठी की भी ना रे भाई ना अब अच्छा नहीं लगे
होता है
किसी और को बुलाना है
हाँ जाइए ना
सिल्वर सर्कल बोले सिल्वर सर्कल
जाइए जाइए
की होते थे यार
So I would like
जाइए
to
ना सर, आप
request
क्या
Silver
करते हैं?
Star sir
12 में है अभी
to come
भाई
forward
चल
the stage. For senior category.
दीपा सर को भी दे सकते हैं
Yes.
सीनियर टीचर लोग हैं
So, solo song, senior category, the third position goes to Anjal Dumdum from class 11. तुम बच्चे बहुत कंजूसी दिखाते हो ताली मारने में. Come on. बोलो कितना मेहनत करके
बड़ा सर.
प्राइज ले रहे हैं तो
बड़ा सर.
कम से कम ताली
बड़ा सर.
मारने का मेहनत तो करो. The fourth position goes to Rupa Das from class 10. The second event is elocution. The third position in elocution, senior. The second position goes to Madhusmita Rao of class 11. In poem recitation, the third position goes to Radhe Kumar Soni from class 9. The second position goes and the first position goes to Harsh Prasad again from class 9. In debate competition, the third position goes to Sulagna Kabi from class 9. It goes to Yash Shahu from class 12.
लाउड गाओ जोर से गाओ सामने करो माइक को
कृष्ण करूं आरती तेरी हे प्रियापति न करूं आरती तेरी तुझ पे उठाना बल बल जाऊं सांझ सवेरे तेरे गुण गाऊं प्रेम में बजा के बजा
third position goes to Trupti Sahu from class 12. The second position goes to Rohit Badaik from class 12. And first position in drawing and painting competition goes to Neha Jojo from class 12. The next event is speech competition. The third position goes to Arun Prince Horo from class 12. The second position goes to Yashika Sahu from class 12. From class 12. Solo folk dance from class 9. The second position goes to Meera Sahu from class 12. Any guesses? Any guesses? To Sukesini Dangwal from class 9.
Good afternoon, dear students. जोश खत्म हो गया? Respected principal ma'am, all teacher colleagues, and my dear loving students. So these 2-3 days, what we had a program called Foundation Day of IVS. So it was a wonderful program. Okay, na? Before that, we had Ganesh Puja and also the examination. But within that short span of time, we have conducted a wonderful program. I think it is worth remembering a program. So I thank you, all of you. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers. 2-3 days before only, Principal Ma'am had called a meeting with us, and we all plan out beautifully from the arranging of the awards, certificates. For the meal, we had preparation, we did the marketing, teachers, and also